Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Chris with BNFX here in Honolulu, Hawaii. It is the 24th of February, and definitely some world history changing news today. So first and foremost, I just want to say, my heart and prayers go out to the people of Ukraine. This is definitely a tough thing to deal with, and I wish them all the best. I know this is a very, very tough environment here. So hopefully this doesn't escalate and into a world war. That's what I'm really praying for. But now that we got that out of the way, I just wanted to say that to begin with. Really, here's my market sentiment. I mean, it's really risk off right now. Obviously, the dollar is definitely a safe haven bid. There's talk that the rate hike is still on the table for March. The euro is just in the trash. The pound, to a lesser extent. Australian dollar had some negative news on there that's going to impact their GDP from yesterday. Iron ore prices are going to buoy it slightly, but it's definitely in the tank too. Kiwi, once again, they just hiked their by 25 basis points, but all that forecasting through 2023, I think, is out the window with this. The yen is getting bid big time by Safe Haven for Safe Haven bids. So I didn't take a look at the actual market yet, the equity market, but you can see it's down 780 right now as we speak. The NASDAQ's down 229. Crypto got crushed. So it's definitely a bloodbath. You want to be real careful when you're trading on the markets here. Big stops is what you want to use, so less risk is how I would do it. This is kind of a pair, or I'm scoping out right now, is the Aussie yen. You can see a baseline formed here, prime for possible breakout here. So you can see this line's really being held, but it's getting lower and lower and lower the price every time it hits it here. You can see there was a little bit of a fake out right here to try to confirm this pattern, but the pattern doesn't mean nothing. The fundamentals is what really drives the market, and that's what you're seeing here. So if this thing gets down to here again and maybe breaks this and has a close below, I'd be interested in taking this short. So we'll keep an eye on that. But other than that, once again, any type of risk off pairs, you're good with, and could be in a positive position today. So we'll wait and see. Just keep in mind, once again, the market's going to be volatile. You've got Joe Biden speaking today. You've got the EU speaking today. You've got ECB, Lagarde speaking today. They're all going to be throwing things out there on what they're going to do to Russia, etc. And that's going to create volatility. Also, there was a report that the 9 jets flew over Taiwan, which is a real scary thing too. So just stay tuned, and like I said, trade safe. If you guys are trading with small stops right now, this wouldn't be the time to do it. Like I said, I'm not telling you to take big risk. I'm telling you to adjust your risk size so that way your stop loss is larger, because you've got to be able to accommodate these swings, and they're going to be substantial. So just be careful, okay? In terms of trade, BNFX, we had a huge day for the fund. Obviously, Aki had some great trades, and I had a huge oil trade during the Asia session, which impacted our profit big time. I think we've had like a 6% gain on the fund today. So it's been big for the amount of risk that we're taking there, which we don't use leverage. So anyway, have a great day out there, and hit me up in the chat if you guys have any questions. Okay, thanks.